Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Pretty Garden's jumpsuit collection, and it's gonna be like a dark, deep red. The texture is super nice. It's like a little bit sheer. I don't know if you can tell when the light shines through, just slightly. A little bit of a turtleneck on the shoulder, kind of a crop. Here are the sleeves. The bottom is same exact material. It's like a jumper, pockets, both sides. The seam is down the middle and the back, as well as the seams down the front. It's tapered but not cuffed on the bottom. So let me go ahead and try it on. So I like that it's actually a little bit looser where it's like supposed to be. You can pull this up or have this down, totally up to you. I kind of like maybe it pulled up a little bit. Over here, there's a little tie. So there's a line here, but there's also a line all the way down, as well as all the way down in front. You see when I'm bending, it's like a little bit sheer, just sheer enough to be like a little bit sexy, but not sheer enough to be like, oh. So for more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment what you think about this jumpsuit, and to purchase it, there's a link below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.